Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can increase your wall thickness in Bambu Studio. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your project. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. Click on the model itself, navigate through strength, and the thing that you are looking for is the walls option or the wall loops. So if you want to increase the thickness of your wall, you want to go ahead and repeat the loops itself. So maybe something like 4 will work best. Let's click on the slice plate option and it will actually thicken out our wall right here. So let's go ahead and decrease it to something like 1. Click on the slice plate option, and as you can see, it will become a lot less, or it will become actually thinner. So let's do it something absurd like 10. Wait for it to load in, and of course right after, basically we are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.